Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. My BoxyLuxe for March finally came in. For those of us that are subscribers, as you know, they had some issue with getting the boxes out on time. They bill us on time, but they had an issue with getting the boxes out on time this month. So it did finally come in on Saturday, even though my tracking said it would be here Friday, but it's all good. It's here. I'm happy. So I have already filmed this look today, which I actually used all of the products in the box except for the fingernail polish and the face mask. I will be using that face mask tonight. I had already filmed this unboxing barefaced, but I thought it would be fun to do it with this on and then maybe switch things up and either put in the little snippets of me putting on the actual product, or if you want to hang out to the end, you know, I might just put it in at the end, maybe even just speed it all up. The eyebrows are looking kind of crazy, looking kind of Groucho Marx. So if I end up cutting that part out, I already know with the brow product that I am not a fan. Plus it's just way too dark for me. If I had my original hair color, it would be perfect. So for my 3 biological daughters, because I do have one stepdaughter who is naturally blonde, so this would be way too dark for Taylor as well. So when we get to the iconic London brow cushion, girls, Ashley, Kimber, Brianna, whoever is the first to comment down below that you want it is the first to get it. So literally first dibs. Any one of you guys, just let me know and I will send it to you, because now that it's been opened, even though it closes completely, kind of snaps closed and hopefully has a good seal on it, it is going to need to be used. So, as you can probably tell, also in what we got was the Lilly lashes, of which, check me out, I got them on. It didn't take 10 hours like I thought it would. Inner corner still kind of wonky, but I think for the first time putting regular lashes on myself, it turned out okay. I'm actually quite proud of myself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go through all of these things again. And so here is what the info card looks like this month. It says La Vie en Rose, I guess. And then yeah. And the first thing on the card is the CoverFX Perfector Face Palette. It says 6 must-have complexion essentials and 1 travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. The MSRP is $45, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice little compact. And we open it up. And sorry, probably should have done that before. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And while the shade names or the descriptors there are just that, very descriptive, the actual shade names are on the back. So there are those. This is obviously the light medium palette. Today I used the contour shade, which is called Silhouette. I obviously used the one and only blush in here, which is called Sublime. For the highlighter, I used Divine. And then this here, the brightener illuminator, this one's called Moonbeam. I used this on my inner corners, brow bone highlight. And then I also did use the finishing powder here, Stellar, which in the pan is sparkly, and I am very delighted to report that on the skin it is not, because I was terrified. but that is the CoverFX palette. And then next was the Moda brushes, powder and soft glow kit. It says your new Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The 2 brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and 2-toned synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. The MSRP is $29.99. And so this is the powder brush. I said rose gold tapered handle there. I did use this for the finishing powder. Kind of medium dense bristles. It's not too bad. It's not too dense, not too sparse. I actually kind of like this one. I think I would like to try using this one for my Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder, because the usual one that I use to kind of buff in stuff is a little too dense for that. And I'm just kind of, I'll try that with this one. The other brush, the Soft Glow, I guess, or does this not have a name? I don't know. But this is the one for highlighter. So you have the long, really floppy bristles, the tapered handle and everything. I did not like this for highlight at all. I mean, I don't like a crazy thick highlight, but I wanted to show up. And when I tried the highlighter from there using my regular highlighter brush, it worked much, much, much better. But, you know, hey, to each their own. This is almost so, it's so thin and so floppy, it's almost like a stipple brush, but it's tapered. So yeah, not a fan. The next product was also one, as I've already mentioned, not a fan of. And this is the Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. It says, give your brows the wow they deserve with Iconic's Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. The innovative 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows with half of the effort. Do not agree with the half of the effort statement at all. Like that, if I put in the clip of me doing the brows, like it took way longer than what it does with the pencils. And then I still had to go in with another pencil and kind of clean it up and fill in spots that I couldn't get the brush to work on. But anyway, it says the highly pigmented liquid formula glides on effortlessly, while the angled brush makes for precision application each time. The MSRP for this is $40. I don't like it. Let me try to clean this off a little bit. So here's the case. It's one of those like shiny gold. It will hang on to every fingerprint. And then on the inside, looks like this. Open the little thing here. There's the product. So I used exclusively this color because that's way too dark. And then we'll just close that. We don't want that to dry out. And then the little brush here has one of these little doobobbies where you open it up and you have the angled brush on one side for application and the spoolie on the other side. Yeah, like I said, girls, whichever one of you comments first that you want it, you're gonna get it. All right, next is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And that's what this tube looks like. And it says, containing a blend of skin-loving acai, I have absolutely no idea how to pronounce that, never have. Goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin, K-A-O-L-I-N, clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin saving peel off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. And the MSRP for that is $34. And then next is the Lilly Lashes exclusive Faux Mink Gaia lashes. Add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition Faux Mink Gaia pair of Lilly lashes. The winged style, cruelty-free lashes are durable enough to give you up to 20 wears. And the MSRP for these is $24.99. And as you can see, they are definitely dramatic. I do have to figure out how to get the inner corner to turn down a little bit more. But you know, hey, still think for the first time putting them on all by myself, not bad. Not bad. And they're actually really comfortable to wear. So that makes me happy. And then next is, oh, look at that. I'm losing it on the one side there. Like, it's coming undone, I think. At least that's what it looks like in the mirror. Yep, it's coming undone. So apparently the eyelash is like, challenge accepted. I'll figure it out. The next is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. And that's what this looks like. This is actually the jar that I already had. So the one that came in the box is just going to be a backup. And I did use this today as well when I moisturized prior to all of this. And what it says is, developed with plastic surgeons, Confidence in a Cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer. Perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin in moisture, restores visible radiance, and reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. The MSRP is $48. Next is Becca, the Ultimate Lipstick Love, a moisturizing 8-hour long wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. The MSRP is $24. And this is just your standard bullet lipstick. Looks like this. It's got the Becca logo stamped in the top. The packaging feels nice and sturdy. The color that I have is mauve. Don't know if I can get that to focus there. And obviously this is what it looks like on the lips. I used my Milani True Instant Color Statement Lip Liner in the shade All Natural. There we go. Got that to focus. So obviously just lined and then put on the lipstick itself. It's got the Becca name. I can get it to focus on here. You can see it in these bright lights. And that's what that looks like. And then it's just your standard bullet lipstick. Now that I've had it on for a little bit, I've been drinking my coffee. It still looks really nice. It does come off on the straw. As you can tell, there is going to be transfer, so if you're going to be kissing your significant other, hopefully they like the shade, because they're going to be wearing it too. A moisturizing 8-hour long wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid, and the MSRP for the lipstick is $24. And then next in here we got a palette from Morphe. I actually have several Morphe palettes, and I do enjoy them regardless of the controversy. I like them, and it's eyeshadow. Life is too short. Have fun. But this says the Morphe 15 Shade Artistry Palette. Indulge in infinite eye looks. The mirrored palette features 15 crazy, creamy, powerfully pigmented shades so that you can mix, match, and blend the rules. And the MSRP is $16. So this is one of their smaller palettes. And it says this is the Day Slayer 15D palette. I'll open it up. Again, brush off. Anyway, and then here is what it looks like. The shades that I used today is I used in the crease, I used Upbeat over 3/4 of the lid. I used Highlight, and then I used Desert in the outer corner, and I used both Upbeat and Desert or Dessert for the lower lash eyeliner type. It doesn't really have, as you can tell in here, any lighter shades for the inner corner. And that's why, like earlier I mentioned, I used the Brightening shade in the CoverFX palette for brow bone highlight and inner corner. Okay. I will get over this cough eventually. But anyway, moving on. Next, they put in a couple of really cute little fingernail polishes. These are the Deborah Lippmann in the shades Oh, Donna, and Modern Love. It says the dual patented formula in your new Deborah Lippmann 2-piece set lets you bring the nail salon home. The 10 active ingredients help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving you the effects of gel polish without the damage. The MSRP is $20. So this one here is the shade Oh, Donna. Looks like kind of a brownish with a duochrome, kind of a pinky purpley shift to it, which is kind of cool. And then the shade Modern Love, that's just kind of a standard, I don't know what you'd call it, almost like a primrose kind of color. It's not really looking like on the camera all that dusty rose or primrose kind of shade. Those are pretty. And then last but not least, and if I didn't say it, the MSRP is $20 for those two. And then we've got last but not least is the Boxycharm Traincase. So it's just another perk of being a charmer. This exclusive Boxycharm cosmetics case is not only extremely chic, but very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has to take their glam on the go, and the MSRP is $20. And so here's that train case. So it folds down, squishes down pretty flat. And then expands to a fairly bit bigger. And open it up. And there's no pockets on the inside for like brushes or anything, but it has a fairly decent interior. It has the Boxycharm logo here on here, and that's it. That's everything from the March BoxyLuxe. Maybe call it spring BoxyLuxe, I don't know. Well, that's it. That's everything. Thank you for coming and spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed your visit. You're welcome back anytime. If you like the video, please like the video. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. You're welcome back anytime. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. If there's anything that you would like to see me try, if you have any questions on anything, I'm definitely here to help. Thank you for stopping by. You have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.